Sometimes it is meaningless to have too many decimal places in a decimal number. So we have to round off that number either in a whole number or in a given number of decimal places. First of all, I shall explain how to round off a number, a decimal number, in a whole number. For example, if we have 8.2 and we have to convert it into a whole number. So we will see the number, we will observe the number after decimal. If the number after decimal is less than 5, we shall drop it and we will take the number before the decimal. For example, 8.2 will be approximately equal to 8 because 0.2 is near to 8, not near to 9. Similarly, if we have 8.5, it is midway. So 8.5, when we have to convert it into the whole number, we shall take 8.5 as 9. Similarly, if we have 8.6, 8.7, 8.8 or 8.9 and we have to convert it into a whole number, we shall make it 9. So if a decimal number has first decimal place less than 5, we shall drop the decimal number, we shall drop the number after decimal and take the whole number before the decimal. But if we have the number after decimal equal to 5 or more than 5, we shall give 1 to the number before the decimal and give the next number to the answer, or the next number will be the answer. Okay, now if I have 9.7168 and I have to convert this number to the nearest whole number, I have to convert it into 2 decimal places, usually known as DP. I have to convert this number to 3 decimal places, or we can write it 3DP. Okay, when I have to convert 9.7168 to the whole number, I will observe it, this 9 and the number after the first number after the decimal. If this first number is equal to 5 or more than 5, it will give 1 to the 9. As it is 7, so my whole number will be 9.7168. When I shall convert it into a whole number, I shall give the answer as 10. Now I have to give the answer to nearest 2 decimal places. What I will do, I will take the number as and check the third decimal place. If the third decimal place is 5 or more than 5, it will give 1 to the previous number. So my answer will be 9.72. Again, in this case, when I have to take it to the 3 decimal places, I will select 3 decimal places and check the fourth one. If the fourth one is equal to 5 or more than 5, it will give 1 to the previous number and we shall drop it and our answer will be 9.717. Notice, if we need the whole number, our answer is whole number. That is, this 7 has given 1 to 9 and the answer is whole number. If we need 2 decimal places, our answer will have 2 decimal places. So we check the third number. And after checking, if it is less than 5, we shall drop it. If it is equal to 5 or more than 5, it will give 1 to the previous and we shall drop it. So final answer will have 2 decimal places. Similarly here, the final answer is 3 decimal places, having these 3 decimal places because we have checked the fourth decimal place. If it is 5 or more than 5, it will give 1 to the previous, and if it is less than 5, we shall just drop it and take the remaining number as answer. Few more examples. I have 19.2147. I have to first of all convert it into a whole number. So when I shall convert it into the whole number, I shall observe the first number after the decimal. You can see it is less than 5. So I shall drop it and my answer will be only 19. If I have to convert the same number into 2 decimal places, or I have to round off this number, this decimal number, which is right now having 4 numbers after decimal, we have to give answer in 2 decimal places. So what I will do, I will select the 2 numbers after decimal and check the third one. If the third one is equal to 5 or more than 5, it will give 1 to the previous. But as right now it is less than 5, so I shall drop it, and along with this I shall drop it, and my final answer will be 19.21, which is 2 dp. If I have to convert it into 3 decimal places, what I will do, I will select 3 numbers after decimal and check the fourth one. If the fourth one is more than 5, as here it is more than 5, so it will give 1 to the previous number, and my final answer will be 19.215, and this answer is 3 decimal places or 3 dp. Similarly, if I have 0.82514, I have to convert it into a whole number. If I have to convert it into a whole number, what I will do, I will check the first number after decimal. You can see that first number after decimal is more than 5. It will give 1 to 0, and our whole number will be 1. If I have to convert this number, or if I have to round off this number to nearest 2 decimal places, I shall select 2 decimal places, or I shall select 2 numbers after decimal, check the third one. As third one is 5, so it will give 1 to the 2 previous number, and my final answer will be 0.83. The answer has 2 decimal places, and this 5 has given 1 to the previous number, which was 2. 2 has become 3, and 5 and 4, all 3 are dropped. If I have to convert this number to 3 decimal places, now I shall select 3 numbers, check this one, which is the fourth one, as it is less than 5. So my answer in 3 decimal places or 3 dp answer will be 0.825. Few more examples. Just to clear the concept. If you have to convert these decimal numbers to the nearest whole number, what you will do, for example, A part is 5.42467. Your answer will be only 5. 15.824, your answer will be 8 is greater than 5, so it will give 1 to 5 and your answer will be 16. So the nearest whole number is 16 when your given number is 15.824. 15.8 is closest to 16. If you have 7.862, definitely the nearest whole number will be 8. If you have 130.829, the nearest whole number will be 131. Okay, if you have to write the answers of all these correct to 2 decimal places, what you will do in this case, you will have 2 decimal places like this and you will check the third one. Your answer will be 5.42 as the third decimal number is less than 5. In this case, these are the 2 decimal numbers, 2 numbers after decimal. So you will check 4 and your answer will be 15.82. Here, these 2 numbers selected, your answer will be 7.86. All these three are not changed because the third number was less than 5. But here, when we shall take 2 numbers after decimal, the third number is more than 5, your answer will be 130.83. Few more examples. You have to give answer correct to 3 decimal places. Number 1, if you have 712.8926, correct to 3 decimal places, your answer will be 712. This part will remain as it is. We shall not change it in any case. We are working on 3 decimal places. The fourth number is more than 5. So our answer will be 893. As 6 is more than 5, so this 2 will become 3 and we shall drop this 6. If we have 0.00272, these are our 3 decimal places and our answer will be 0.003. 1, 2, 3 decimal places. Now 7 will be checked. 7 is more than 5. It will give 1 to 2 and our answer will be 0.003. Our answer has 3 numbers after decimal. And we have checked the fourth one. If you have 0.8274, 1, 2, 3 decimal places and your answer will be 0.827. The last one, if you have 7.024489.123, this 4 will be checked and your answer will be 7.024. This 4 will not give anything to this 4 as it is less than 5 and we shall drop this area and our answer will be 7.024.